Hi guys, welcome back to Dance Shorts. Today's daily routine move is going to be the what? Right. Sometimes you're talking to somebody and you don't understand what they're saying, but you're too lazy to use your words, so you just go. That's what the move is derived from. Let's look at how it is done. Let's see what your hands are doing. So keep them relaxed to start with and bring them up, bending at the elbow. That's it. While you do this, you can tilt side to side. So you can go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what footwork can be added to this move. So start with your feet in a wide stance and bring them up every time you say what. So you bend at the knee and you go 1, 2, 3, 4. While you do this, you contract. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Make it groovy for it to look better. Let's try it all together. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the move, guys. Let's try it with some music. That's the move, guys. Make sure you groove along and you will add your own style to it. You can add your own variations to it as well. You can go forward, you can come back, you can go sideways, anything you want. It's a very fun and simple move. Make sure your muscles are engaged when you bring your hands up. Alright? That's it for today. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you've liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.